Click the link below to learn more on how to start your car wash business. This is Prince, Be Smooth Detailing.
You gotta know that, yo, bro, this is a business. And so if you run you gotta get this concept, B. Because look at it like this. Your business is something that you create. Once you create it, you can make that mug exist forever. Sam Walmart created Walmart, all right? Once he created it, now it's here. We don't know how long it's gonna be here because of Amazon, but it's here right now. As I make this video, it is here, right? And so you make your mobile detailing business. Now, Sam Walmart is dead. Can you make your joint indestructible? Can your mobile detailing business withstand death? Woo. Can it withstand death? Right, and that's how you build that joint. That ain't nothing gonna stop me, B. To come hell or high water, I don't care how many hurricanes come through North Carolina, bro. Yo, all these detailers out here was crying about it. Oh, we can't get no money because it's raining. And I sat back, bro, and every drop that came down, I was thanking God. Why? Because the places I hit, as soon as that, look, disaster, okay? Disaster. Disaster springs what? Insurance, right? If you ain't got nothing but a business card, B, go to every insurance company. What kind? All of them. It doesn't matter what kind of insurance they selling. Go to all of them. Everybody got a car, B. Be smooth. Everybody got a car. Right? So go to them. That's the least you can do. All you need is one, look, bro. Go to 10 of them. You got 10 cards, 10 business cards. Go to 10 of them. All you need is one. You just want one car, B. And when you get that one car, bro, you go bananas on this thing. Detail the car like ain't nobody ever detailed a car before in their life, B. Like your life depend on it. And leave there sweating. Even though the money, right? Don't get twisted. I got to get into the story real quick. But your works, you do it unto God, not unto man. So when you detail that car under God or under God. Because there ain't nothing up there. God is inside of you. So make sure that you do, look, get paid for it. I'm not saying shortchange yourself. Right? But if you want to come up, bruh, and all you got is some business cards, B, then go to 10 insurance companies, right? Go to all, and also, you guys that live inside the city, find out the pavement companies within your city, pavement, that put tar down. Find out where they are. Just Google it. Pavement companies near me, right? And then you take your business cards out there because they always putting tar on cars. You ain't looking for no contract that say, hey, listen, just go in and do it just like this. Hey, listen, my name Prince. I went Be Smooth Mobile Detailing. I know you guys always get tar on people's cars. I want to leave you guys some business cards. I give you a great deal. And just walk out, B. That's it. That's it. It's just that simple. Right? No online stuff. And I guarantee this mug here will bring you more money if you don't shortchange yourself. Later on in this video, we got to get into getting what you're worth. Right? Because a lot of brothers out there, you putting in mad work, but you're not getting what you're worth. I know guys is charging full details and I did it myself. Right? $100. I still do it. I do it right now. I don't care. However, there are situations where, like the other day, I did a car for $1,000. No lie. One car. Took me 3 hours. $1,000. I ain't going to get into it right now. I'm going to go into the next thing because I want to stay on track.
Click the link below to learn more on how to start your car wash business. This is Prince, Be Smooth Detailing.
Now that was one bad thing about detailing. I got some detailing stories but it always turned out to be really good, right? So like, by the way, pavement companies, it doesn't matter if it rains, snow, sleet, or whatever going on, you make sure you get that money, right? Those cars, get that money all day. And you charge more for those because it takes special techniques to take off the tar, all right? So you go there and you say, after you strip the car of the tar, you need to buff it and wax it and seal it. Some customers, depends on what kind of car, they need ceramic coating. Definitely get into ceramic coating business. You guys starting out, you want to get into the ceramic coating business. What is ceramic coating? Click the link below and you'll get more information on it. All right? Or call me, 919-972-8063. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to take out your phone. 919-972-8063. All right, so let's move on.